Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to try to get this Ford on its wheels.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us. Could be us.
Say please.
Could be us.
Say please.
Could be us.
Alright, so we're working on the 84 Bronco. We're working on Sendy, the Send It Ford. So we're going to try to get the brakes all done today and try to get it on its wheels. So I'll come over there and show you what I'm going to be trying to do, because I might have to do a little, backwoods engineering here. So I'll show you what I'm going to do, because we don't have all the right parts, because it's been a little hectic around town. It's the, the virus thing going around. So we won't try to take that out on us. So let's just get into the video. Alright guys, so we had that other Ford 9-inch that came with this thing. And here, I'll just take these to the table and I'll show you what I'm trying to do. Alright, it's flipped over. Right. So this one's from the truck, or from the Bronco. And this is the one that got all mangled up. And this came from that Ford 9-inch sitting outside that came with the Bronco. Now, if you look closely, this is an older one, which obviously doesn't fit the 8.8 axles. But I'm going to try to make it work on there. So everything is basically the same on this. Same, I looked up parts numbers, and these are the same cylinders, brake cylinders. So those are the same, so I'm assuming these are the same, or at least the same stamping. But, the only thing that's not lining up are the bolt holes. So I have to take the die grinder and just take a little material out there so I can get it to fit in there. But once I get it fit, I'm just going to put that on the Ford Bronco and then transfer all the good parts onto this one. So make a little time lapse for you guys, and we'll get right to it. Alright guys, so I got all the holes drilled out, or wobbled out. So I cleaned it up, because we're going to take some washers and where the bolts go through, since they're, I don't want this thing spinning again. So we're going to put some washers, tighten everything down, tack them on, just so it won't shift around. So that's what we're going to do with that. So we'll put this in there. I'll wheel the welder over, and we'll get on it. Start turning the brake. Yeah, then we'll switch all the brake parts over. Like we'll have to straighten this bar. I think that's the only thing that needs fixed. And we're going to ditch the emergency brake, just because that's the wrong one, and the one that was for this is all ripped out. So we won't worry about emergency brake for now. Not like you need it anyway.
It's an auto.
It's an auto. It has park. It'll be fine. All right, we'll get a time lapse of me welding it up on there. Alright guys, so we got brake cylinder or the brake vacuum plate all tacked up. And I'll turn this around and show you guys. So there's the washers all tacked up. And I'm going to probably weld them and then probably just weld them. And then I'll wherever it... I'm getting some good penetration. But clean this up so I get a good mounting surface. I got to clean up the wear marks where the brake shoe's right on. Right there and there. And then we'll start blowing this apart and putting those bits onto this bit. And I'll just weld this up really fast. Alright, so that's what it looks like now. There we go. Got the washers all welded in. Not the prettiest thing, but they just have to hold. But cleaned all the braking surfaces up where the brake shoe slides on. Like right on this one, right there. They're all rusty. So we'll blow this match cylinder off and put all those parts onto this. We'll do a little time lapse of that, and then we'll throw it back onto the Bronco. Alright guys, we got it all back together. So we'll throw it on the rig right here really quick. We'll just take it over there right now. Set you guys down. Excellent. Right, there we go. All back together with fucking bodged parts. But we'll slide the axle in here real quick. And then we can start putting everything back together. that flashlight.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay.
In.
Pull.
Pull.
Okay. Put this guy in. Ooh, smooth. What it says was that a 1/4 inch?
Yeah, it should have been laying there on the ground, I think. Oh, I probably didn't put it in all the way. I just had it sitting here. Let me see it. It might be like 5/16, probably. There's the brake line. Still hanging there.
Oh, I knew that was gonna happen.
Okay.
Master or slave. Well, what do you call that?
5/16 called it.
Slide the pin back in there.
Yeah, that different housing, it's a little better. The old one, you kind of had to bang it out to get it out. Not good.
Not good. You want to hold that?
Yeah, I can hold it.
All right.
Click. Put the fluid in there and call her good.
Low budget wheeling truck.
I don't know about that. Found on roadside dead. Oh, I shouldn't say that. Just empty every pocket. But we'll get back to you guys when it's all back together on its wheels.
Well, we're having problems with this 33. Looked like someone had did a trail repair. They siliconed the bead on the tire to seal, so we're having to clean all that silicone off. But there's our tire changing setup, high lift with the on the hook on the bumper. Anyway, we'll see if we can clean that seat up on the wheel to the rim, and then clean the tire bead off and see if it'll seal again. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and please leave us comments so we know what we're doing wrong or if we're doing it right. So don't forget thumbs up, thumbs down. I don't know if we can do the notification bell yet, but if that's a possibility, give that a click. And we'll see you on the next part of Sendy, the 84 Bronco. We're going to be trying to get it running, see if we can clean up the carburetor. So until then, we'll see you later. Peace.